Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue which is very common nowadays, and this issue arises due to the processing of the returns by CPC under section 143 subsection 1. Because CPC process these returns through the computer system and even they find a slightest of the error in filling the columns by the assessee, the huge demands are created and they are not rectified even by filing section 154 application. And even sometimes it happens that the assessee do not have the time or the time has lapsed to revise the return. In that situation, whether the claim of the assessee can be denied just on the basis that the assessee has not filed the revised return on time, so that claim should not be given to the assessee. This was the issue before the Chennai ITAT bench in the case of National Contracting Company India Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax. This case is reported in 132 ITR Tribunal at page number 185 and the date of the judgment is 24th June 2024. The present case relates to the assessment year 2020-21. In the present case, when the assessee filed its return of income and the assessee claimed some deduction of gratuity under section 43B, the assessee mentioned that amount in wrong column, due to which when the return of the assessee was processed, this deduction was disallowed. At that time, the time for filing the revised return has gone. The assessee filed the tax audit report with some modifications, because in the earlier tax audit report even the tax auditor of the company has not reported that income in the tax audit report. So the tax audit report was revised because the assessee do have the time to revise that return, but the income tax return could not be revised. And accordingly, the assessee also filed the rectification application under section 154, which was rejected. The assessee do not have any option other than to file the CIT appeal. When the CIT appeal heard the matter, the CIT appeal, just on the basis that any mistake can be rectified only by filing the revised return, dismissed the appeal of the assessee. The CIT appeal was of the view that since the assessee has not filed the revised return of income, so the claim of the assessee cannot be allowed to the assessee. When this matter was heard by the tribunal said that in the present case there is no doubt that there was some inadvertent error on the part of the tax auditor in non-reporting in tax audit report, and it is also clear that non-reporting was bona fide, since all the details were available in the income tax return but in the wrong column. The crux of the issue is that the amount has been shown in wrong column in the income tax return and it has not been shown in the tax audit report. For that, the tribunal said that non-reporting in tax audit report is bona fide because all the details are there in the return of income but in the wrong column. The tribunal said that in the present case, although this mistake is there, but all other evidences are available in record for claiming the deduction. And the tribunal also reminded about the Central Board of Direct Taxes Circular number 14 XL 35 dated 11th April 1955, which says that it is the duty of the assessing officer to assist the taxpayer in every reasonable manner, especially while the assessee is claiming some reliefs or deductions. The tribunal said that in the present case, the CIT appeal has over-relied on the procedures in claiming the deductions. So the tribunal said that the order passed by the CPC under section 143 subsection 1 or intimation under section 143 subsection 1 is bad in law, and quashed also the order of the CIT appeal and said that and directed the AO to give the relief to the assessee and said that there is no need for every return to be revised to claim a refund, to claim a deduction. The tribunal said that the legitimate deduction of an SSC cannot be denied just on the basis that the revised return has not been filed. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is National Contracting Company India Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 132 ITR Tribunal at page number 185, and the date of the judgment is 24th June 2024. Thank you, friends.